Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset US Bank app password, secure fix step by step clearly. Open the US Bank app on your mobile device. On the login screen, look for the Forgot Password link. Tap on that link to initiate the password reset process. You will be prompted to enter your US Bank username or card number. Fill in your username or card number and tap Continue. You may need to answer security questions or receive a verification code via email. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be guided to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets all the security requirements. Confirm your new password by entering it a second time. After successfully updating your password, return to the login screen. Enter your US Bank username and your newly created password. Tap Login to access your account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting US Bank customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.